You were just talking as we were walking through the facility about the Daytona Coupes. Can you kind of go into that Daytona Coupe side?
Yeah, the Daytonas came about as the next step, I guess, of the company in terms of the company's growth. And we have had clients that have bugged us in the past about doing a Daytona replica for a long time, and we finally pulled the trigger on that. We've only done 18, I think, roughly right now,
Okay.
Daytonas, versus about 1,000 Cobras.
Okay.
So there's definitely a lot more exclusivity on the Daytona side.
Okay.
However, because we actually have done even more of the process, we've brought even more of the process of the Daytona in-house rather than the Cobras. The Daytona takes about 4 times as long to build.
Okay, very cool. So very labor intensive then.
It's very labor intensive car. There's a lot of pieces involved in the Daytona, and we've been always getting better. Our Daytonas that we do now are better than the first one we did, and definitely our Cobras are better now than the first ones we did.
That is super cool, man.